Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. This is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and in this video, I'm going to show you a contemporary house and lot in Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig City with a lot area of 204 square meters with a floor area of 340 square meters. So this property has 7 bedrooms and an indoor swimming pool. So now let's start the house tour starting with the garage. What's nice about the car garage with this property is that it has an automatic gate which you can control with a device so that you don't have to go down from your car to manually open the gate. They are the only house along its street that has this feature, so it does stand out from the nearby properties. This cute dog is not included in the sale, FYI. The car garage can accommodate 2 SUVs. It's spacious so you can also store some things in there. You have sockets to clean your car, and you have an access from the car garage going to the dining area and vice versa in case of emergencies. If you're enjoying this style of house tour, subscribe, click on the bell button for video updates, and give this video a like. Check out also my other channel, Coco Martech, for tech and phone reviews and for my personal vlogs. Now let's go inside and see the living area. The first thing that you will notice is that the living area has a double ceiling height, and the ceiling and walls have modern and geometric shapes. You have square design lighting fixtures on the ceiling with blue lights. You have circular designs on the wall on the right side and vertical wooden strips on the opposite end. So if you like atypical interior designs with a double height ceiling with an amazing view of the indoor swimming pool, you will surely love this part of the house. Another thing is that there are furnitures that will be included, such as the sofas, the dining table, and all of the aircons. Imagine spending time with your family and friends here, watching your favorite Rapid Tulfo in Action episode with a relaxing view and ambience of the swimming pool at the back. The dining area. Beside the living area is the dining area. It can accommodate 8 to 10 people. It has a door beside it leading to the car garage. You can also move the dining area a little closer to the indoor swimming pool area so you can have a view of it. It has a drop ceiling style with pin lights on the corners and recessed lighting fixtures. Now for the heart of a home, the kitchen. The countertops of the kitchen are made from solid synthetic surface, including the kitchen island. With the L-shaped kitchen top, you have a lot of space for your kitchen appliances. You have many cabinets and drawers for utensils and other kitchen needs. It includes a range hood and a cooktop. In terms of size, this kitchen is fairly large comparing to the kitchens in the properties for sale in the area. You also have a view of the indoor swimming pool while cooking, so if you like that kind of style, this kitchen is for you. We'll talk about that indoor swimming pool in a little while. So far, how are you liking this property? I'd love to hear your insights, so go ahead and write your comments down below. For the service area, it is kind of small, so you can just have a washing machine in there in front of that sink. The maid's room is also not the biggest one, as you can only fit a single bed with a small cabinet. For the first room of the house, it's located beside the staircase and the powder room. Their initial purpose was to convert it into a theater room. There's a split type aircon installed, which is again included in the sale. Never mind the clutter since they are still sorting their things out. For the second room, it's in between the staircase and the door leading to the service area. This is their office room, so there are a lot of papers and office supplies. It has its own bathroom, but since there are a lot of important things in there, I did not show that part anymore. The powder room includes an exhaust fan and the usual fixtures like the water closet, a sink, a tissue rack, but no bidet is included. Now for my favorite part of the house, the indoor swimming pool. This elegant swimming pool has a dimension of approximated 4 by 8 meters with a maximum depth of 4 feet. It has a waterfall feature that is magnificent. The overall ambience of this area is zen and is really relaxing. Just by going near the area makes you want to jump, swim, and relax. The pool can be seen from the living area, the dining area, and the kitchen because of the large stationary windows around it. The ceiling of the area is a drop ceiling style with pin lights and recessed lighting fixtures. You also have the bamboo fences at the back of the water feature, so it adds to the zen feeling. I really enjoyed shooting the video clips of this part of the house because even though it was hard and tiring to make a house tour video, I did not feel the exhaustion because of the relaxing atmosphere. The staircase going to the second floor also has storages underneath it. The railings are made from metal which are painted to look like wood, and the stair steps are made from wood and cement. Now let's go to the second floor to see the remaining rooms. This religious statue is not included in the sale, but it amazed me that this is a 400-year-old figure handed down from generation to generation. For the third room of the house, again we apologize for the clutters that you will see inside. So this room has its own bathroom, a built-in cabinet, and a window-type aircon. This is beside the staircase. You can use this as a bedroom. The bathroom is complete with fixtures and the materials used are above standard. The shower here also has a water heater installed, and the whole walls of the bathroom are already with ceramic tiles. Now let's move on to the fourth room of the house, which is just on the opposite side of the third room. For this room, the owners turned it to their kids' playroom. This is where their child can play, draw, and do her homeworks. So you have a lot of colors in the room, especially purple, a place to enhance a child's art skills. You can also invite your kids' friends in here so they can color books and bond. It also has a bathroom, a built-in cabinet, and a window-type aircon included. Moving on to the fifth room of the house, which is beside the fourth room. This is where the parents of the owners stay. So again, you have a built-in cabinet with a mirror, a window-type aircon installed, and a bathroom with a water heater for the shower. It's really up to you if you want to convert this room to a music room or your man's cave, since you're the one spending the money, but the point is you have a lot of rooms, so you have the freedom to have as many varieties as you want for all of the rooms. For the sixth room of the house, this is where the helper of the parent of the owner stays. Since the parent is a senior, she will need immediate help, so they need a room of the helper close to her. So again, do not mind the mess inside. There are only a few people living in the house, where one is a senior, the other is taking care of the senior, and the others are working, so please bear with us. For this room, you have again the aircon, the built-in cabinet, and a bathroom. The materials used for the bathroom are of the same quality with the other bathrooms. Here you have a small space where you can make this a small living area or a mini library depending on what you want and what you need. You also have the view of the living area from here. Now inside to the last part of the house, the master bedroom. For the master bedroom, you have a balcony included. Don't worry, the street is not noisy because it's not on a main road. but there are electric cables near it. You have a drop-style ceiling with pin lights on the corners. The colors of the walls are beige, and you have a wall on the side of the bed that is made from cushions. The room is huge, and since you have sliding doors leading to the balcony, you have a lot of natural light coming in. You have a walk-in closet where you have a lot of spaces and storages for your clothes and things. I also like the bathroom since you have a bathtub with jacuzzi feature where you can relax after a tiring day from your work. You also have a large mirror with lightings, an exhaust fan, a water closet, a urinal, and an enclosed shower. You also have a heater installed for the shower. The TV is also included, and of course the split type aircon. That's it for this house tour. If you like to schedule for a viewing, please send me an email or message me in my Facebook page. I'll be putting the details in the description below, including the price. Of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified for more video home tours. Again, this is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my other YouTube channel, Marty.